Welcome, just here to do a little walk around of the stock color. I do have the blacked out grille, the blackout emblems, stock wheels, stock height. This is going to MadHouse on Monday for a full change up. So this is just a before video for the before and after. I already have the spoiler removed. I already have a new one waiting to be put on after everything's done at MadHouse. Wheels are a little dirty. So this is your stock walk around, and we're gonna get it changed up in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. Just like that, it's been transformed. MadHouse absolutely killed it. Satin energetic yellow wrap, gloss black mirrors, spoiler, roof, grille, satin energetic, Honda emblem to match, Yofer front lip also to match. We have the stance wheels, SF10, powder coated in satin black from MadHouse. Got Federal tires. Color on this thing is crazy in the sunlight. See the spoiler, we have the Honda emblem in the back, black, satin black exhaust tips. And they definitely killed it. This car looks amazing. Thanks MadHouse for the wrap and all the custom work. SmurfyCustoms for the gloss black paint for the mirror cap, spoiler. Stance and mica tuner goods for the wheels and the tires. MadHouse team rocked it.